Guess we're gonna have to pick some potatoes. Feeling like shepherd's pie tonight. So we're feeling like shepherd's pie, but we realized we're out of potatoes. We already thawed the ground Highland cow and ready to go for that, but we don't have the potatoes. So we're gonna grab the wheelbarrow here, head over to our potato patch, and start digging up some potatoes. And why the wheelbarrow, you ask? Well, last year we filled up the wheelbarrow with potatoes, and we planted more potatoes this year. So I'm hoping that we might be able to fill it up a couple times this year. And even though I'm just doing shepherd's pie tonight and need some potatoes for it, I also want to can some potato leek soup. So I might grab some leeks while we're at it, and I might get overexcited and just, you know, dig up a whole ton of potatoes. You never know what's going to happen. So as you can see, the hound dog's helping us a tremendous amount. He's digging up potatoes for us like it's going out of style. We've got a few in the wheelbarrow, but not as many as I was expecting. So we'll keep digging and see what else we can get. So we got this first little section done here out of everything, and I think we have enough potatoes to make some
shepherd's pie.
Shepherd's pie. I was thinking potato salad, and I'm like, well, we can do some of that too. So Brigitte's harvesting some more peas. They just won't stop. So I'm quite impressed with some of these. Look at the size of that. That's awesome. We got a few of those, so I'm quite happy with the way that tiny little harvest is gone. We'll continue probably harvesting the rest on the weekend from this side, maybe give this side a couple more weeks. We want to get some of these leeks here as well so that we can make the potato leek soup and can some of that for the winter. So we're gonna head in, make some shepherd's pie, maybe some potato salad too. So talk to you soon, guys. Love ya.